Welcome to Fabby John's, the joy of decorating. A room will appear larger with light-colored walls and floors. Use bright, vibrant colors in your artwork. Throw pillows or blankets and other home decor pieces if you enjoy color. Put in floor and table lighting. The place will feel larger the more light there is. Making your home look bigger can be achieved with a few strategic design choices and tricks. Here are some tips to help you create the illusion of more space. Use light colors. Like we said before, light neutral shades like white, light gray, and pastel tones on walls and furniture can make a space feel more open and airy. These colors reflect light and make the room feel less cramped. A cluttered room can feel small and chaotic. Keep the space tidy by storing away items you don't need and be selective with decorations. Because I myself have done this. I've used so much decor that my home seemed more like a showroom than an actual home. So step back and look and take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in the room. And when you look at it, it'll look even more beautiful and airy. Mirrors are a great way to reflect light, creating the illusion of depth. Hang large mirrors or multiple small ones to make the space feel more expansive. Use furniture that is proportionate to the size of the room. Avoid oversized furniture that overwhelms the space. Opt for furniture with legs to allow more visibility of the floor, which makes the room feel larger. Use vertical stripes or patterns on walls, or decorate to draw the eye upward, creating the illusion of height. Use multifunctional furniture. Items like storage ottomans, sofa beds, or tables with built-in storage. Keep things tidy and free up more space. Keep windows uncovered. Natural light can make a room feel much larger. Consider light sheer curtains or no curtains at all to maximize the amount of light coming into your space. If possible, remove non-essential walls or use open shelving to maintain a sense of flow between rooms. Open spaces tend to feel larger than divided ones. Smart lighting. Use layer lighting with floor lamps, table lamps, and wall sconces to brighten different parts of the room, avoiding dark corners that can make a room feel closed off. A large rug can help you define the space and make the room feel more organized. Try to use one rug to anchor the whole area, instead of many small ones. These simple tricks can make a significant difference in how spacious your home feels. Your decorative and storage needs. Try using ottomans with storage pockets or fold-down tables to save space and add versatility. Try to use a trunk or storage bench in the entryway, at the foot of the bed, or in the hallway instead of just a standard bench. When you have a small space, you're likely to default to buying small furniture. However, doing the opposite might be the answer to your small space problems. Use one large piece of artwork on the wall, as it instantly draws the eyes upwards. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.